care about the problem.
It's so refreshing to find a home that is immaculate and it's just like new. Welcome to 133 Dart Street.
Can only get there if we try. Wanna believe in that we can find.
It's so appealing, from the king-size master bedroom with its private ensuite, two-car accommodation and private grounds.
About us, love. I think about us, love. I'm thinking about losing seconds of our time. Are you in or out? Just tell me. I think about us, love.
You're just 1 block away from the local Redland Bay Village shops and 2 blocks away from this.
Are you in or out? Just tell me now. I can tell where this is heading. We're diving with our head first in too deep. Can you see where this is heading? Who's gonna